2022 started on a high note because Suryavanshi had released around the end of the last year. And then, and that your film got people back into the theaters after the pandemic. But then came three or four films which didn't really do as well as you would have expected them to do, didn't really perform at the box office. So, is it, I mean, how does it impact? In fact, not just yours, basically for Hindi cinema, I must say, पूरा साल बीत गया, we are in the mid of November. किसी की भी पिक्चर नहीं चल रही. You can count practically on your fingers. Mission ये Kashmir Files did well. Bhool Bhulaiya 2 did well. To a certain measure, Brahmastra, for all the costs that it may have incurred, did well. But I mean, we are in the last end of the year. कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा है. मतलब हो क्या रहा है?
हो क्या रहा है? देखिए, हो ये रहा है मेरे हिसाब से. We have to, things have changed. Audience wants something different. And this is what we should think. That we should sit down and try to give them, it is our fault. It is not the audience fault that they are not coming. It is us. We have to give them what they want. And that is what we have to rethink. We have to dismantle what you have made. You have to just put it down. You have to start all over again. Think again. What kind of cinema would they want to see? So this is what we have to learn more. So I think I want to start completely differently in a different way. And that is what I've started doing it. Ki just give them something different and try to talk to them, understand what they want. Because जो pandemic के अंदर हुआ है ना, their choices have changed rapidly. Earlier, it used to have a speed of changing. But now, after the pandemic, things have changed. But nevertheless, things, we are all going to sit together, work hard on it, and we will try to give the audience what they exactly want.
That's very heartening to know. Dismantle and reinvent is your mantra.
Yes, we have to dismantle. That is the important thing because we have to understand what they require. And अब और भी मैं आपको बताऊं कि बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. ये सिर्फ एक्टरों को ही नहीं बल्कि प्रोड्यूसरों को भी, बल्कि थिएटर्स को भी, सबको अपने अपने मतलब मैं बताता हूं, मुझे अपनी प्राइसेस करीबन 30 to 40% नीचे लानी है. लोगों को थिएटर्स को समझना पड़ेगा. मतलब basically the whole thing. See, it's a recession time also. Things have to come. We have to understand the pain of what the audience has also. They also have a limited amount of money to spend on an entertainment. You cannot be spending so much for this, the kind of pricing you have. So everything has to change. Everybody has to dismantle all what they have. And we have to restart again. So that's what I think. I mean, this is what I think.
That's your opinion. Very valid points there, and particularly about the cost of a theatre outing. So
everybody, not only the cost of theatre, the cost of me, cost of making the film, cost everything. We have to work on it back again.
Yeah, but also from an affordability point of view, and actually we earlier had Mr. George Clooney and Mr. Anil Kapoor in a conversation, and George Clooney also pointed it out that across the world, the theatre going experience has taken a hit and has taken a sharp hit. Back here in India, we, one wonders if in today's times, is it possible for a family of four to spend $300 per person on a ticket, to spend 300 rupees on a cold drink, to spend 400 rupees on popcorn just for one person. So you can well imagine the kind of cost it takes for a family. कैसे कोई afford करेगा? So as stakeholders, do we hear the actors telling the theatre owners that they need to relook at their pricing?
Sorry,
are we likely to see?
I can only say about it. I can see everybody has their own thing. The theatre people must be having their own problems. Why they can't do it or can they do it? I am talking about what I think. I am talking about me. I think everybody has to drop things 30 to 40% down. Everybody. And especially if you want your films to go where they should start going again. If you want the public, if you want the people to get the habit back again to come back in theatres. This is what I think.
Right. And so talking of that, एक और factor ये भी है कि लोग ये, by the way, the theatre goers in the south have not really, I mean, the number is marginally higher. So before we go on to OTT and its impact on theatre going, आपके यहाँ popcorn महंगे नहीं है?
बहुत महंगा है मैम पॉपकॉर्न और समोसा हर जगह महंगा है
So what explains the
See,
difference in theatre goers?
For
and
example,
numbers?
like Sir said, you have to rethink, restructure your whole game moving forward, be it in the script level, making level, like he said, the exhibitors, everybody have to pitch in and do their own game in this big game, have to play their part in this big game. Eventually, towards the end, if you see how films are still running, like he said, a good subject, a good script, nobody can stop. People will come to the theaters. His film has got people back to the theaters from Suryavansh. There's a film, Bhool Bhulaiya, his remake, which people came back to the theaters. In the south, we have a couple of films like Pushpa, KGF, and RRR. They have got back. And again, I had another small release after RRR. I did a guest appearance. Again, nobody came to see that, though it was right after RRR. So what we have to understand is a good content will always drive people back to theaters and maybe spend also on samosa and popcorn if they like.
But everybody has to cut their prices.
Cut their prices for sure.
Fair
yes.
point. Fair point. So that's, you see a consensus there
Yeah.
that from superstars that people need to relook at pricing. But another factor is that people think कि unless there is a larger than life experience that they're getting out of a theatre film, 3-4 हफ्ते में OTT में आ जाएगी तो देख
Yeah.
लेंगे. So which also is making people think कि अगर VFX, so we had never earlier in so many decades see a common person talk so much about VFX, and अगर VFX ऐसे है तो theatre जाने का फायदा है. So what really creatively happens to those love stories, those emotional family dramas? I mean, would it not effectively have a place on the big screen?
It's very tricky at the moment.
Absolutely
It's
right.
very tricky. I mean, say, yes, you're right, Sonal ma'am, that people require to see larger than life, an epic film like so-called RRR, a KGF, a Suryavanshi. But I don't know. If I may ask, I don't know. If I may ask the people sitting here, would you think, I may say, a film like Toilet Ek Prem Katha, would it do well now? I'm asking you all. No. Am I saying no or am I hearing yes? No. Why? Because it doesn't have that epic? Does it not have that whole bigness in it? Or because it's just a small little story, which rather people would want to watch it in OTT platform or wait for it to come? I think that is what it is. I think people want to watch that big cinema.
Sure.
And we have to try and, as I said, dismantle the whole thing, start making. See, you have to cater to OTT also. You have to cater to the audience also, the cinema going audience. So everything has to be changing in it.
So ये formula बनेगा when everyone started thinking about it.
But I just hope one day people come for all the cinema. That's all. I can only pray for it.